and welcome to our showroom here in Wellingborough. I'm Esther from Bella Barista, and today we're going to show you how to pour a tulip with latte art using some of our equipment here. We've got the Lilith Bianca and we've got our Eureka Turbo grinder. So to start with, you want to create a really nice espresso base with a really good crema, and I'm going to use our Brazil Santo, which is the regenerative organic certified coffee. We are the first roasters in the UK to have this certification. Having this certification with the coffee, we are protecting the people, we are protecting the planet, and we are looking for a sustainable future with coffee. It also adds a really good crema, which is perfect for the base for the latte art. So I'm going to do 18 grams in and 36 grams out. So I'm going to start by purging the steam wand. Now I'm just going to insert the tip of the steam wand just below the top of the milk. I'm going to switch it on full blast and get a nice whirlpool going in the middle, and I'm going to keep it near the surface just to get some air in the top. I'm going to leave it there for 2 to 3 seconds until it's about the same temperature as my hand. Then I'm going to submerge the steam wand below the top and just heat it up until it's too hot to touch. So now the first thing I'm going to do is pour from high and go round to create a nice flat base. Now I'm going to stop and let the espresso settle, come into the middle and pour heavier to reveal the white. And then at the end I'm going to come up high and cut through. So once you have perfected how to do the rosetta, how to do a tulip and how to do a heart, you can build them together into more complicated patterns to pour really exciting pictures in your coffee. This could be swans, dragons, unicorns. You only need to look on Google or Instagram to find out what other people have been up to. For more videos like this and to keep up to date with all things coffee, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next Friday.